myself Sachin Gupta. I am net qualified in economics. Today we start macroeconomics. Topic national income. What is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics is the study of economic theory in which we study economy as a whole or total, and it is a broader concept. Now we start national income. Chapter national income. First, what is national income? National income is the total income of the country in general way. National income is the total income of the country. Today we discuss about the numerical part of national income. So in the national income, first we study the basic concept which is used in the national income. First is gross and domestic. Gross and net. The relationship between gross and net is depreciation. Depreciation means reduction in value of assets due to passage of time. Reduction in value of assets due to passage of time. For example, we can understand the concept of gross and net. Suppose a person purchase a car in 2019 for rupees 5 lakh. After 1 year, he says that my car value is now 5 lakh. So this is the gross value of car. The net value is say 4 lakh. That means 1 lakh is the depreciation, reduction in value of the car due to passage of time. 1 year complete हो गया, and usage of car because that person used the car for 1 year. So if we find gross, so gross value of car, net value 4 lakh plus 1 lakh depreciation. Second, net value gross minus depreciation. Gross minus depreciation. So this is the relationship between the gross and net, which is depreciation. If we need to find out gross is equal to net plus depreciation, net is equal to gross minus depreciation. Second concept is national and domestic. Domestic income means the income generated within the domestic territory of the country, like India. इंडिया की जो भी हमारी डोमेस्टिक या घरेलू सीमा कहते हैं इसको, तो जितना भी उसके अंदर जितना भी टोटल इस डोमेस्टिक टेरिटरी जो भी प्रोडक्शन होगा, दैट इज डोमेस्टिक इनकम. नेशनल इनकम डोमेस्टिक generated within domestic territory plus outside the domestic territory. That means earned in other country is by the resident of the country is known as national income. So the relationship between the domestic and national is net factor income from abroad. We can say in short form NFIA, net factor income from abroad, or we can say NFIFA, net factor income from abroad, or NFIA भी लिख देते short form में. If we find national income, national is equal to domestic plus NFI, or domestic is equal to national minus NFI. NFIA means net factor income from abroad. National income के अंदर domestic generate within the domestic territory minus net factor income from abroad. Domestic income is equal to national minus net factor income from abroad. And net factor income from abroad has also formula net. There is a reason behind to write here net. We don't write factor income from net. So net के लिए we have formula factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. That means fee income earned from the foreign minus paid to the foreigners. So factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. So from minus to, जितनी हमने उनसे गेन की माइनस पेमेंट कर दी. So this is the factor income from abroad and relation between national and domestic. And the third basic relation is third, factor cost, market price and factor cost. Market price means the product sold in the market at the price is known as market price. In the market price, taxes are included. But in the factor cost, it means the total cost plus profit of the seller. Here in the factor cost, indirect taxes are not included. It has the relation net indirect taxes, or in short form NIT, net indirect taxes. Suppose if a person purchase an LED for rupees 40,000, so if we see the bill, it has say 32,000 plus taxes and duties etc. 8,000. So the total is 40,000. So this is the factor cost in which profit etc. included, and this is the market price at which it sold in the market. So if we find market price is equal to factor cost plus NI, net indirect taxes, and if we find factor cost is equal to market price minus NI and NIT, net indirect taxes. It has the formula indirect taxes minus subsidies. Indirect taxes minus subsidies. So this is the basic of the national income, which is used to find the national income in a complete question.